Hi, people are always asking me what's the best way to simplify their wardrobe. Well, I found the perfect solution. This Marissa dress by Pirouette can literally be styled 3 different ways. One of my favorite ways to wear this Marissa dress is for the daytime. The coolest part is this top comes in several different prints and many different colors. So you literally can have a different outfit every day. Look how easy it was to go from day to night. All I had to do was put on this fabulous leather jacket over the Marissa dress and I'm ready to go. Sometimes I just like to keep the Marissa dress simple. That's what's so amazing about this Marissa dress. You could dress it up, dress it down, wear it from day to night. It's so versatile. And to spice it up a little bit, there is an adjustable slit, which I think you might find fun. To find out more about the Marissa dress, go to Pirouette's website. The link is below.